Welcome, Class 10 students. Have you ever wondered how scientists describe the amazing transformations happening all around us? Like when hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water? Imagine a beaker with hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, and suddenly they combine to create something entirely new, water. How exactly do scientists capture this process on paper? They use a special language. Scientists have their own language. It's called a chemical equation. In this video, we'll learn how to write and balance these equations, making you a chemistry pro in no time. First, let's learn how to write a chemical equation. Consider this simple reaction. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives us water. We start by writing the word equation. Hydrogen plus oxygen yields water. Then, we replace the words with their chemical symbols, which you can find on the periodic table. H plus O yields hydrogen oxide. Always remember, chemical symbols always come from the periodic table. It's your best friend in chemistry. Now that we know how to write them, why do we need to balance them? It's all about a fundamental law of nature. Look closely at our water equation. H plus O yields hydrogen oxide. Do you notice something? There are 2 oxygen atoms on the reactant side, but only 1 on the product side. This breaks a very important rule in chemistry. This rule is the law of conservation of mass, which states, mass before reaction equals mass after reaction. Atoms are not created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. They are just rearranged. Let's apply this law and learn how to balance equations, step by step. We start with our unbalanced equation. H plus O yields hydrogen oxide. Let's count the atoms for each element on both sides. On the reactant side, we have 2 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. On the product side, we have 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. To balance the oxygen, we add a coefficient of 2 in front of hydrogen oxide on the product side, making it 2 hydrogen oxide. Now our equation is H plus O yields 2 hydrogen oxide. But wait, this changed our hydrogen atoms. Now we have 4 hydrogen atoms on the product side, so we add a coefficient of 2 in front of H on the reactant side, making it 2H. Our balanced equation is 2H plus O yields 2 hydrogen oxide. Remember, we never change the formulas themselves, only the numbers in front, called coefficients. Time for a quick practice challenge. Try balancing this equation. Na plus Cl yields sodium chloride. Pause the video now and give it a try. Pause for 3 seconds. Did you get it? The correct answer is 2 Na plus Cl yields 2 sodium chloride. Congratulations! You've just mastered the art of writing and balancing chemical equations. Now you can write and balance equations like a pro. This skill is fundamental to understanding chemistry. Next up in our chemistry series, we'll dive into the different types of chemical reactions, where the real action begins. Keep an eye out for part 3 coming soon. And remember, Quizly is here to make science simple and fun for you.